Here we go. Here we go. It's sunny day and we're at Fluffy's. Her water just needed a little bit of water in it, so that's taken care of. And treats are going down. We had to call her, and took a while for her to show up, but here she is. That's it? You're gonna go check on breakfast? Fluffy? 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 Okay. You'll finish your treats. Thank you. Over at Whispering Hills Ranch, we have one of their peacocks on a shed roof. We haven't seen one for a while, so it's nice that he's out and about today. You are. We're at the park, and Missy and this is Missy's sibling are here waiting for us to arrive. We're a little later than usual, but hey, school is out, so we don't have to worry about being past the school time before the kids show up. Okay, Missy is here in the foreground, and sibling is the one walking towards Missy. Oh, Jay must be showing indications of food. Golden crown sparrow. Another golden crown sparrow. California towhee took the mealworm. Bath. White ground sparrow.
Squirrel eating the cat food and the dried mealworms. And that young cottontail was born earlier this year. One of quite a few that hides out in the rosemary thicket.
Okie dokies, we're back at Fluffy's. Treats have just gone down. Jay's gonna put the little bit of cat food he has left over down. We didn't see Collie. Ah, Jay's talking to the gray tabby cat over at the food area. Fluffy, it's okay. It's okay, sweetie. It's not coming up on the sidewalk. Just car going on the street. Right there's your treats. Right there. Hi, Tabby. Yeah. I can hear you. I just don't see you. Okay. Okay. Pick it out. Just eat it, dude. Yeah, like that. Here we go. Really? Come on, finish it off.